Well, hello from Payne's Historical State Park.
Yes. Hello.
We're in Bowling Green, Florida. Yes, there's a Bowling Green, Florida. Just south of Winter Haven, about an hour south of Disney World. But we're here just want to get out and walk around.
Enjoy nature.
Yeah.
See the different things besides theme parks and restaurants and stuff.
True.
And get in shape.
Maybe, hopefully. We're still kind of dealing with the loss of Echo, so we just want to kind of go out and just walk around and kind of reminisce a little bit and stuff.
But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we're really super excited. We're just, now that we can go to the state parks a lot more, we're probably going to do that a lot more and just film and kind of just take you along with us and stuff and just kind of experience things besides the parks and stuff. So come along with us.
Let's go.
Visitor Center and Museum. It is after 5. I'm not sure if they're open or closed. It says open though. Let's see. Nope, they still are open. So if you walk in here, they have some bathrooms. They have a video that's playing and it tells you about the Indian Wars. The First Seminole War, 1816 to 1818. Second, 1835 to 1842. And then the third, 1855 to 1858. So this is what a little cabin would have looked like back then. I kind of like it. So on the evening of July 17th, 1849, Indians opened fire on 3 store clerks as they sat down for supper. George Payne, Dibsy Whiddon were killed instantly, and William McCullough was wounded. This is the chief of the Seminoles. Then they have a cannon and everything else, and they have some like the different kind of munitions and stuff like that. And then this is the Third Seminole War. This is what the Seminoles would have wore back then. It says the clothing worn by the Seminole men in 1850 reflected the influence of Scottish Highlanders who immigrated or migrated to the Georgia frontier in the earlier times. And over there they have more soldiers. What is this? This is a 6-pound cannon. Now, when we go down to a lot of these different museums, they have the canoes that are carved out of logs. It's always kind of cool. And then we have these men. I don't see a sign for them, but there's a private, sergeant, and a captain. They have the flags. And then over here is the video that you can sit and watch. It's not too horrible. Go back out and head on out. So we're at Payne's Historical State Park. It looks pretty cool. Is that water or is that grass? I don't know. Anyway, found out recently that if you are a service-connected disabled veteran, you get a park pass for life. Isn't that crazy?
Do you have to renew it every year, or it's just one time, that's it, right?
One time, that's it.
Yeah.
So we get to go to all the state parks.
So you go to the park at the front office where you first come in, and then you can get it there from them, from the ranger.
Yeah. So we went to Hammock Park the other day, and then we're at this one, which is not too far away from our house. Looks pretty cool so far. Last one we went to was really cool because they had like a swamp trail, and you're walking right into a swamp. But
do they have bikes you can rent there? I don't think so.
at that one you did, but here I don't think so.
Well, I think we're a little bit late in the day.
We are. And it's not blue skies, guys. That's a storm. Amber always wants to do something in the middle of the afternoon, knowing it rains every day.
No, we didn't eat at all on the day, and I was like, can you get me food, please? And then we go.
Yeah, but this looks pretty cool. We'll just keep filming, see what we guys can show.
But the trail is like grass, but sand.
Yeah.
Okay, so the monument is over here. Let's go to the monument.
Yeah.
Where do I have to go?
We'll go first.
Okay.
We're on a suspension bridge. Ooh. Oh, Amber's going to rock the bridge. I already know it.
I won't look.
Don't rock the bridge. Don't rock the bridge.
I haven't even started yet.
No. It looks really cool.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready. I kind of like it though.
Come on.
I'm going.
Are you?
Following the leader. No, it doesn't really move. Oh, okay, it does, kind of.
Now it does. You're moving it.
But look at the water. Oh. Got you. That's crazy.
I'm not even moving it.
I know.
I'm just doing the movement. But this. Come on.
Oh, now I can feel it move. Our other YouTubers that we know that we're hoping that we can collaborate with. His wife loves to do the bridges and make them swing.
Look at this. It's not. It's very shallow.
It is.
This is a fun bridge.
It is. There's a butterfly.
Where? You hear him? Look. You're gonna walk and I'll walk backwards a little bit. What are you doing? Go first.
We're walking on the catwalk.
So we're gonna go towards the monument, right?
Yeah.
How you doing, Fred?
There's a turkey. I hear it.
Let's go to the monument.
Okay.
It's really humid right now.
It is. It's really, really humid. It's like really sticky.
Oh, look at that grasshopper.
Holy crap, scared the crap out of me. There's one by your foot too.
Oh, I almost stepped on them. Those are huge.
Woohoo! It's kind of cool. I still think the other one was kind of cooler.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit better. We've never seen the monument yet.
No, we haven't. Ooh, there it is. Amber, there's a lot of bugs. Behind the scenes action going on. So the story goes that in the cabin, 3 Seminole men came in and shot 3 individuals. a Captain George S. Payne and D. Whitten, I think that's how you pronounce his last name. They were both killed by a Party Seminole Indian tribe on the 17th of July in 1949. So, I'm not sure the whole history of what happened. Should have done a little bit more research before we came here. But the visitor center, Miss Amber, had a lot of that information.
It's really cool. I would suggest to go there first.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Look how they trimmed it out, I guess, like all the wood. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about, obviously, right now.
Yeah.
But like the landscape and stuff, so that way they can do a dedication course.
Well, and the thing is, like, they made it seem like it was an unprovoked attack.
Yeah.
But how would you like it if someone came onto our property and put a house?
I wouldn't.
You know? I mean, would it be... I feel like you'd be provoking something if you did. I mean...
Plus, every Indian reservation or area has the Indian burial. So look what you did to the ancestors as well.
Exactly.
They're not happy about it.
No. So, but this is the monument. It doesn't take that long to get here, honestly.
The whole walk around the lake is about 20 minutes. It maybe took 5-ish, 8-ish minutes to get here.
It's pretty cool. Like you said, I mean, it's kind of nice how they kind of clear the area a little bit.
Yeah. There's butterflies too, which is cool to see.
Yeah. You can see that storm in the background. You can hear the thunder every once in a while. It's kind of cool. There's a trading post on the other side of the bridge. So we head there?
Yeah, okay.
Guys, we made it 0.8 miles.
We're going to the trading post.
The trade post. Oh crap, where do you go?
How do you go? I'm assuming it's this way.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big circle. I'm dumb. Don't agree.
I'm not.
Don't agree, Amber. Don't. They really do a good job of upkeeping this. A little bit, it looks like. Probably come in here and mow this once a week.
Well, as much rain as we get in the summer.
Oh, I know. Our grass is about
That's
knee
so
length.
annoying.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Sorry guys, my keys.
The whole time.
Like I'm in a western. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Doo-doo. Wow, wow, wow. And right over here on this small little clearing is the river.
The Weaver.
The Weaver. Nice little spot here. I don't know what it would be for. They do have a canoe launch here too. So if you had a canoe, you can or a kayak, you can come down here and do all that fun stuff.
I would check the water first.
Yeah, it is pretty shallow. Whew. Here we go. Here we go.
Another bridge.
Ooh. When we had our niece and nephew out, every time we went under a tunnel, we're like, okay, hold your breath. And then I would slow down. I mean, I would keep the same speed.
That's what we learned earlier. That's what you do here. Like, what?
Yeah. Oh,
There's no water.
no water at all.
Wow. That's crazy.
Oh, I found an amber. Anyway, keep walking. Just keep walking. So we're still looking for the trading post. I think we're lost.
Well, that's good. Reminds me of Hawaii.
Well, you're the one that wanted to go hiking in Hawaii.
This isn't really
No, I know. Actually, I remember Hawaii. That waterfall was pretty fun though.
Yeah, it was. It was really pretty.
I just remember the camera not being able to focus at all. Hey, did we tell you guys that we have a watermelon growing at our house? And we didn't even plant any watermelon? I saw a vine. That's what kind of struck the conversation.
Several months.
Yeah. I had to go out there yesterday and cut them out of the yard. I wonder if we'll see a Bigfoot.
We are in nature.
Comment below if you believe and Bigfoot.
Or the Yeti.
Oh,
Same thing.
yeah.
Oh, are you guys excited for this new Yeti house for HHN? I'm super excited.
Yeah, in case you didn't know, they announced their first 10 homes and
Houses.
5, yeah,
Mazes.
their mazes, and then their 5 scare zones and a couple other surprises. So we are kind of stoked. There's 5 IPs and 5 originals, so we're kind of excited, actually. And Stranger Things is coming back.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see Vecna.
That's gonna be crazy. Out of all the houses, what would be your guys' favorite that you want to go see?
Yeah, definitely comment that below. For me, it would be the Monsters, Universal Monsters one, and
Chucky?
no, not Chucky, and Universal.
No, and Chucky,
Or-
Stranger Things,
yeah.
Universal,
And then
and the Yeti one, duh.
and the Doomsday one, Mr. Dooms. What's his name? Doomberry? No,
From
no.
from Odyssey.
Yeah,
Jack's boss.
yeah,
Look at this from the fire.
yeah. So they had a placard when you first come in. It talks about how they do the control burning here, and you can tell. I mean, it's really good forestry options because it helps like keep down some of the underbrush and stuff like that. The more you know. So they have a whole bunch of walking trails. There's a sign over there. There's a sign here. They have kind of a little bit of maps on it. We don't have a map of the whole location, but we're going to go this way. I think it might be a shortcut back. We're kind of getting worried about the storm that's coming in, but we'll continue on our little journey. So looking for the trading post. Maybe we missed it or something. I don't know. What's really cool, so we're on our way back to the parking lot. They have a playground. They have a couple pavilions. I believe that they're just free to anybody. But they have swings and everything else too. It's really neat. Well, it hasn't rained yet, but it's coming.
We kind of rushed it, so we were walking fast. So
Yeah.
if the video seems rushed, it's because we thought a storm was coming.
Yeah.
I feel like there's bugs like in my nose and everywhere.
I know. You feel like creepy crawlies all over your legs and stuff too.
We're city folk.
We are. This country stuff. I'm not as impressed with this state park that I was with the first one that we went to, that we didn't bring you along with us.
Yes.
I think probably because this is more of a historical one.
I think it's not really like a hiking trail, it's like a walking trail.
Yeah.
Literally just like bulldozed down, so you only have like a little bit of grass. I think that's your walkway.
Yeah. The other one was kind of a little more like it was true trails and stuff like that. But I had a lot of fun with it.
Like even this.
It wasn't horrible. I mean, I guess it could have been worse. But now that we can go to the state parks a lot more, I think it'll be a lot more fun just to kind of get out. They do have like a butterfly thing up in Gainesville. So if we ever make it that far again, we can always go there. But with that, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you are from Florida and you know a couple of state parks, let us know some, and we'll
or we can
venture
meet
out
up with you guys.
Yeah.
Or, you know, have some fun.
Yeah, we'll have a lot of fun. We are kind of slow walkers sometimes, not always.
Except the parks, we walk fast.
Yeah.
But we're just kind of like, since we lost that go, we're trying our best to bring some videos. So the videos might be a little bit different than usual. We're just kind of reminiscing and like taking life day by day instead of like on the go, 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 go.
Yeah.
So
I mean, we've gone to the theme parks a couple of times. We've been to the theme parks a couple of times. It's just, it doesn't feel right now, in my opinion, for me. So it's kind of harder.
just doing things that we normally don't do.
Yeah.
It's more out of our comfort zone.
Yeah, for sure. But not to be negative, let's be positive. End this on a high note. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. I know I've already said it. But with that, guys, we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.